Trusted Bulacan Realtor and welcome to Seria in Baliwag, Bulacan. O, diba guys, along the road, along the highway. Let's go. Ito na highway na to. Baliwag, Candaba Road. Papuntang Pampanga, papuntang SM Baliwag at NX. Maya Pulilan exit tayo dito. Ito yung entrance gate, very elegant. Ito naman yung kanilang ongoing construction ng kanilang clubhouse. Ayan. Ang ganda diba guys? Kasi alam niyo ba, meron tayong complete amenities. May clubhouse, may parks and playground, may chapel sa loob, at may swimming pool. Ang maganda sa project natin guys, itong Seria, para to sa mga gustong makalipat agad. Ready for occupancy. Diba kung gaano kalawag yung main subdivision road? 12-meter wide road. Yung inner roads nila malaki pa rin. 8-meter wide. So, yung pagpipilian mo dito ay duplex. Yan, duplex yan. Duplex. Meron tayong townhouse na inner tsaka corner. House tour na. Duplex to. Alam niya kung anong maganda sa duplex nila guys. Nakikita niyo sa akin ngayon kung gaano siya kalaki. Minimum lot area ni duplex, pati yung kanyang floor area. Complete finished turnover, 3 bedrooms, 2 toilet and bath, my balcony. Kung ano nakikita niyo dito, ganito yung kanyang turnover. Toilet and shower. May service area na pwede mo ipa-enclose. Maluwag pa siya dito, pwede mo ipasara, pwede mo palagyan ng roof. Naka-partition na yung tatlong kwarto. At ang maganda sa kanya, oh my gosh, ito yung hallway na pwede kang mag-chillax-chillax kasi yung hallway nila, ayan, may space for some accents here. Tignan muna natin yung balcony. Hello neighbors! Diba? May balcony dito. Unahin na natin yung master's bedroom. This is the master's bedroom of the duplex unit. O, diba? Sobrang luwag. Tapos may malaki ka pa ditong mini, balcony style. Bedroom number 2. Bedroom number 3. Ang taray no, ang laki. Very spacious for big family. Toilet and bath number 2. Hindi mo na kailangan bumaba. May sarili kang shower sa second floor. So there you have it, the duplex model here at Seria, ready for occupancy. Guys, I'm going to give you as much as 520,000 discount if you can avail between August to September 2024 para ma-avail niyo yung ating special discount promo. Dito lang yan guys sa Seria, ready for occupancy, kaya ma-turn over within 3 to 6 months kasi nakatayo na yung unit, mabilis nating aayusin yung iyong bank financing, yung mga requirements mo. And on top of that, may bonus pa ako. Meron ka pa, magkakaroon ka ng upon unit turnover, 20,000 bonus worth of appliances. Kasi, 10,000 sa buyer and then sa seller. In my case, kasi binibigay ko na din sa buyer ko yun. So, 20,000 worth of appliances upon unit turnover. So, just imagine, as much as 520,000 discount plus 20,000 incentives or bonus pa. What can you say about that? Mabilis ka pang makakalipat, ready for occupancy na po yung ating duplex model, 3 bedrooms, 2 toilet and bath here in Seria at napakadali lang ng ating requirements. Pero bago yun, sample computation muna, di ba? So, ayan, nasa screen. Nakikita niyo sa screen yung ating sample computation. Yan. Di ba guys, no? Very affordable. Kasi binawas na natin dyan yung mga promo discount natin ngayon. Yan. Kung gusto mo mabili yan, kayang-kaya, di ba? Ang required salary nandiyan na rin. Pwede yung combined income, okay? So, bank financing yung pinopromote natin, pero kung gusto mo magpag-ibig financing, okay lang. But take note, pag-ibig, mas mataas yung down payment kapag pag-ibig. At, syempre, ang pag-ibig, ang process nila up to 6 months bago ma-aprobahan. Which is different kay bangko. Kasi si bangko, within a month, kaya mo malaman yung approval mo. So, yun yung difference, di ba? Ready for occupancy, pero yung process ni bank and yung pag-ibig is magkaiba po. Mas mabilis si bank. So, I highly suggest, kung nagmamadali ka, mag-bank financing ka. O, di ba guys? Yun na naman yan. At, syempre, yung ating initial requirements. Napakadali lang. Pina-flash ko. Nakikita nyo na sa screen, di ba? Very easy lang naman i-prepare yung ating initial requirements. Kung pinakamalaga dyan, proof of income, kayang-kaya mong may provide yan. So, yan siya guys, okay? So, in this project, strictly no walk-ins. So, you just have to contact me directly. Nagpa-flash dun sa screen yung aking Viber, WhatsApp, iMessage. Yan po. Bantakan niyo lang ako guys if you want to know more about this project or let's talk in Viber and WhatsApp para masendan ko rin kayo ng sample computation and other details, mapa. Pwede online reservation, pwede on-site reservation. So what are you waiting for? Grab this opportunity. Napakalaki ng discount na yan. Wala ka nang makakita na ganitong project na ang bilis ng turnover tapos low cash out. Let's have a last look guys. Dahil mo talaga ng aking... Alam ko sila nasasabi, di ba ma'am? Ayun, let's have a look. Ating duplex model. Yan, yan. Luwag diba? Ito po park siya. Duplex pero mga single attached. Maganda yung pagkaka-design, diba? Very smart. So, see you all.